I'm going to do a real quick replacement of this PENTAIR PBS-400 filter. It's not hard, but there are some steps you should follow. So first of all, I just turned off the water that was running to this. In this particular one, it's the cold water. Now I'm going to also open up the faucet on the sink just to make sure it was off, and it was. All right, here is the new filter. This is the AquaCrest, and this is coming in at a fraction of the cost of the PBS-400. Money's a little tight, so we're going to go with the affordable option. I'm going to go ahead and add the date to this filter now, because here in about a year, I will not remember. So there we go. All right, love the fact that there's two of these, and they are super affordable. All right, so now I'm going to put this one right here. Water has been turned off. And now I just want to show you how easy this is. I'm going to place a towel under there. You will spill a little bit of water. It's not a lot, but a little bit. You just go lefty-loosey, pull that off, and then right there, I should have pulled straight down with a little bit of force, but I didn't, so I was kind of questioning myself, so I turned it back to the right. Maybe I did it wrong, but I didn't. I just went lefty-loosey, and then you just got to pull down a little bit because it's really in there snug. All right, drain off the water. Here's my last one, and again, that's a PBS-400. We bought the OEM, this higher priced model 2 years in a row now, plus the original. And this year I'm just going with the cheaper one. It's just gonna have to save some money somewhere. So now just place it in and then turn it to the right. It locks into place. Just as simple as that, guys. This whole system works great. Again, put the date on it. It's a little bit wet, so it didn't show up as good. But put the date on there, and then turn your water back on. And then you're going to want to run it for about 5 minutes just to really run all the water through it. Other than that, the only thing I would also add is after I put this box away, I found that they actually included some dates. And so you can actually use the little stickers that come with it. But anyway, if you've never done this before, this is super easy. If you don't have one of these filters underneath it, I really recommend it. This is like restaurant quality, coffee shop quality water underneath your sink. As much as you're ingesting and drinking, it's really nice to have that peace of mind knowing that you have good water. And this one here comes with 2 of them. So there we go. Highly recommend it. Here's those stickers I was telling you about. You can also just throw one of those on there, add the year, and you're all good to go. All right, hope that helped.